I'm hitting lit, these niggas bun ain't in my league. I draw the top, now tell my bitch to hold my heat. Headed to the top, they ain't rich, so they gon' see why you laid up with a bitch. Shit, I been running it up all week. I gotta get it, can't make excuses for no sleep. My eyes might be crushed, but them been bustin' out my jeans. Back with another YouTube video. Doing a little something to the Cutlass. I know I said I really wasn't fooling with the Kilmat sound deadening, but I'm gonna go ahead and sound deaden the trunk, because I was gonna do the trunk and the interior at the same time, but I realized like that might be a little longer of a video, because I gotta rip the whole interior out, and I also need to wait until I get my kick panel door speakers, because I gotta run all the lines and all that stuff too, for the speakers, my plugs, all that gotta be ran. So I just said I'm gonna go ahead and while I got time, knock out this trunk. Oh, wrong key. The trunk don't look bad. I mean, I probably need some more weather stripping. That's a little rough right in here. But see, this side ain't bad. It's a little rough, but we'll get that fixed when they get ready to paint it. Do a little body work. Like I said, it ain't bad. So I'm gonna get set up, and I gotta clean the trunk out and everything. So I'm gonna get y'all set up. I'll be right back with y'all in a second.
Keep that gas on them.
I don't know what this stuff is. Yeah, it got a little surface rust in here, so we're gonna treat that with some Rust-Oleum before we lay the Kilmat. I'm gonna clean all this up, treat it, let it dry with the Kilmat, and get to it. Alright, y'all, we got everything cleaned up. So we're finna get ready to treat it. Once she done, I promise you, She gonna be one of the coldest. One of the coldest in the 256. And I ain't building this car for nobody. I'm building this car for myself. So, you know what I'm saying? If I do something to this car, you know what I'm saying, it might not be up to everybody liking, you know what I'm saying? So, but I'm building it for me. I'm building it the way I want it. And that's what I'm gonna run with, bro. This right here, I still gotta get this fixed. I really don't want to pull the tape up, but I got two or three holes. Y'all could probably see it in the video where I said I think the title was "Come Ride with Me in My Vert." In that video, you can see it's 2 or 3 holes right here. So I'm gonna have to get either this new piece, which I really do not want to do, because if I replace this whole piece, this windshield got to come out. So I'm gonna see about trying to get it cleaned up and new metal welded in right here. But it's so close to the glass, I don't know. But if you pop this trim off, it should be a good inch and a half. So I'm thinking if you tack weld it a little bit, you know what I'm saying, give it a few minutes, tack weld it a little bit, I'm thinking it'll be straight. But that's what I'm going with right now, I think. So she should be getting about dry. It don't take long. Nada. So yeah, we can get back to it, bro. Ain't she looking good in there? So let's get back to it. Let me get this out the way. Sit there right there. I'm gonna set y'all down right here and get back to it. Like I said, I hope I got enough. Let's see how I want to lay this Vert.
Great, they keep that gas on them.
We got 6 sheets left. See what we got. So, alright, y'all. That was 24 pieces, 50 mil, Kilmat. We about got it all done. We just about. I'm missing, I need to get a little bit up in that corner. And I'm really not too concerned about the tire fender. Not the tire fender, the damn shell tire. Whatever the fuck it is. Right there. Let's see what that. This is how it's looking right now. Show y'all the insides too. Yeah, same on this side. Kinda need to get up in that fender a little more. And I probably am gonna wrap that too. On both sides. So it's looking like probably another 4 square feet to cover that. So let's see. Probably need to get about 36 square feet on the next purchase, just to make sure I'll be able to do the whole interior. And let's see. Like I said, if anybody out there wanting to soundproof their vehicle, it ain't soundproof, it's sound deadening. Let me correct myself, sound deadening. Like I said, I went with 25 square feet, 24 sheets, 50 mil. That's for the trunk. I think I paid $42. So $42, a Kilmat covered my trunk. Almost. Shit, man. Like I said, I wasn't too concerned about. I just want to keep the rattling. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause I'm gonna put a system in here. I almost got a system the other day. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Two 12-inch scars. They was 1,600 watts each, I think. No, it was 5,000 watts, I believe. 2,500 watts each on a 3,500 watt SCAR amp too for the low. 600. It's just wasn't the move right now. It just wasn't the move. Like I said, I got a lot more things I need to do before then, which I should have jumped on it. Whew. So we got the trunk taken care of. So that's probably gonna be it for this video. I don't think I'm missing nothing right now. So y'all like, subscribe, comment. You know, hey, one step at a time. I'm just a little bit closer. So y'all stay tuned. See what's in store next. Y'all already know I'm coming with something. So, hey, till next time.